Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy easily. First, begin with the flavorful pan drippings left over from your roasted meats. These drippings are the foundation of a delicious gravy. Next, you will whisk in a fat such as butter or oil to create a simple roux. Then, gradually add your chosen liquid, like broth or milk, while continuously stirring. Finally, simmer the mixture until it reaches your preferred thickness, transforming it into a rich, savory sauce in just a few minutes. The roux is absolutely crucial for achieving a perfectly thick gravy. To make it, use equal parts fat and all-purpose flour. For example, 2 tablespoons of fat with 2 tablespoons of flour works well. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly to eliminate any raw flour taste. A lighter roux is ideal for a creamy, white gravy, while a darker roux will give you a richer, nuttier flavor. Always ensure your roux is completely smooth before moving on. Now it is time to add your liquid and enhance the flavor. For every 2 tablespoons of roux, gradually whisk in about 2 cups of warm liquid. This could be chicken, beef, or vegetable broth, depending on your main dish. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a splash of dry white wine or a dash of fresh herbs like thyme or sage. Remember to season your gravy generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed. Sometimes, gravy needs a little adjustment. If your gravy turns out too thick, simply whisk in a small amount of additional warm liquid until it reaches your desired consistency. Conversely, if it is too thin, create a slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water, then slowly whisk it into the simmering gravy until it thickens. For an extra smooth finish, strain the gravy through a fine mesh sieve. Serve your delicious, homemade gravy immediately over your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.